Gemmies today.
Oh, dump it. Dump it. Why is it not coming out? Oh.
There's tape.
Oh yeah, there's tape right there.
Use scissors again?
Wait, no. I can tore it.
I can take the tape back.
I can tore it. I got it open. Oh, these ones are so pretty.
I'm doing this. These are small.
These too small?
These are just small.
Yeah, those are the little wrist.
Where you get the toilet? Oh. Let's put the garbage.
One.
The garbage goes right here.
Nice little case. So then we put it back down. And we open her up. And voila. They didn't mix. Alrighty, so that is the Gemmies in their case. Okay, so remember we gotta do the white one first.
I got the white one.
Okay, so put it on one side. Good job. Yeah, we want to have an X in the middle. There we go. So remember, we gotta push this down. Let's push it down.
And now orange.
So there. Now put an orange one on.
Okay, I think the tricky one is scared.
Like Mommy says, she likes to hold it and bring it over. Hold it. Oh, very tricky. Bring it over. I definitely don't recommend this for little ones. without parental assistance, that's for sure. All right, what's the next color, Alea?
Orange.
Again, I'm holding it down, pulling this side over, then I switch fingers, and then I pull it over. Next color, please.
Look, what's the color?
Good job.
Then
So I put it over the posts, I hold it down, and I pull this side over. Again, I switch pans, do the same thing. Next color. So I put it over, hold it, and bam. Next color. Good job. Alrighty, so now we're gonna do the little gems. We're gonna add it on, so you gotta stretch it out.
now.
And voila. So we need one of these. And we just gotta put it on this end. All right, so we got one. I'm just gonna get this other one in there. Boom. So now we have this one. So I'm gonna stretch over here.
Oh.
All right, so now we just gotta somehow get this end into here. So I have them both in there. However, it looks like it would just pop right out. All right, so here is the peaches and cream bracelet. However, when we put on the ending, which is right here, if it can focus, it keeps popping out. So that is the only issue I've found. So Leia, what did you think of making these bracelets? So what do you think about the Gemmies?
I love them because they're so sparkly and shiny.
Is there anything you didn't like about it? Like, did you like how it was difficult making them?
Yeah.
It was pretty hard, wasn't it? Trying to get them on here?
Yeah.
Did you have difficulty trying to put them together?
Yeah.
But you really like the end product, hey?
Yeah.
Would you recommend this to older kids or younger kids?
Small kids.
Small kids like you?
Yeah.
You think small kids like you could do this all by themselves? You silly, I don't think so. It got very difficult and they got very frustrated and quite upset. Can you give us a big old thumbs up and show us your bracelet?